Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral tricky question many fail to solve. But you have already solved this question. Comment your answer in the description. Okay, I will give them heart. And those who fail, I will solve for them that not need to worry. I will follow the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so our question is 100 divided by 25 divided by parenthesis 2 divided by 2. This is a little complex, but we will do order of question. If stand for parenthesis. So first we will do this parenthesis part of question. So here we will solve it step by step. 100 divided by 25 divided by 2 divided by 2, which equals to 1. Okay, so here what we can see, two divisions are there, and in this case we will do both have the same priority, so we'll do left from right operation. Okay, so when we divide, we will solve first for this part. When we divide 100 divided by 25, what we will get? 4. Okay, how? 25 times 100, and that is 4. Okay, now when we divide 4 with 1, what we will get? 4. So here right answer will be 4. And if you want to check out best product for seniors, go in the description. Thanks for watching.